Hello everyone, this is Melissa again. I am here to show you a very late project. For whatever reason, I have not done the video on this. It did take me a while to finish it, but it's been sitting on my desk waiting to be videoed, and this is my design team project for Sherri Czmyr. I did candy cane wishes and created this little traveler's notebook size journal. And I will show you the dangle first. And a little star, make sure we're in focus. Little star. And all different bits of ribbons and some beads and some jute and a Merry Christmas ribbon. And it's just on with a bulb pin. And a seam binding ribbon, and I left the strings. I did some sewing on this. And I absolutely love cardinals. I'm from Ohio, and the state bird is cardinal. So, absolutely love cardinals. On the front, I have little flowers and some little tiny gold, I don't know what they're called, just little gold things, little stems with gold bits on them. A label, and this is one of my punches, and I use that to back the piece of cardboard, and a bit of music paper, and another one of my punches, some paper doily, and of course the lovely cardinal. A little ribbon. And a while ago I had gotten quite a bit of fabric, and they're the sample books, and my friend Marcia Johnson gave me a whole bunch. She was lucky, and I don't remember how, it's been a couple years now, but she had come into contact with a huge amount of wallpapers and fabrics and stuff, and she sent me some. And into the book, make sure we're in focus. And this is kind of a slightly soft, but I've got cardstock underneath to make it sturdy. So we have a pocket here. And this is the kit, again, Candy Cane Wishes, and it's so pretty. And of course, I probably love it so much because of the cardinal. Yay, Ohio. And I've created pockets on the side, just like Sherri does, and through the top, throughout the journal. And tagged, backed with manila folder. So I'll just go really quickly through this. Belly band. What's sticking? Oh, my paper doily. Just added a bit of paper doily to this tag. And this one is a top. And a bit of lace, crochet lace tag. I'm not going to put those back. And here is one of the I guess you want to call it a belly band. Some people are calling belly bands that go this way, but I don't know what else to call this. Maybe a side tuck. So there's one pocket here, and then I glued down the center and put another one here. So there's a little one of the tags from the kit, and this is another pocket, and I created a envelope, altered envelope, a little bit of gold accent there, washi tape, and guest check. And these are Distress Oxide, I believe, sprays. Little snowman. And pocket and the center. And a little tag. And for this signature, it's two signatures. just put this little guy, little decoration on that. Here's another one of the tags and some of the words from the kit. And here's another pocket. And nothing in this. This is a top pocket. And a little tuck spot here. Second signature. Pocket on the top. Another tag. And this was the collage sheet, and added this stamp and the word. And this is a double whatever belly band, and this little guy goes up and down. So cute. Top pocket. Some of the words from the kit. Snowflakes are kisses from heaven. In the center. And this was one of the little die cuts that I added the other day after receiving the gift from Sherri. If you'd seen my previous video, you would have seen all the wonderful stuff that I received from Sherri. And I hand painted the little cardinal and a little bead for his eye. A little piece of doily on this is actually a pocket here and a tiny little pocket here, or tuck spot. Another one of the tags from the kit, pocket from the kit, everything in here except for the envelopes, of course, and the guest checks. And this is napkin, decoupaged on piece of doily. Another one of the tags. And another top pocket. And these were two pieces of washi or belly band glued together to make this. And in here is one more tag. And there were also some file folders in the kit, so I cut those out and put those in the back. And that is my project for Studio28E Sherri Czmyr's kit, Candy Cane Wishes. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day till the next video.